Greetings and salutations, Matthew Gardner here with a quick update for you regarding some of the new ORIBOKIT parts that have gone out recently. So first of all, the main updates is that these components here, instead of being made from laser cut plywood, are now made from this beautifully patterned printed circuit board material. I'm really happy with the quality of these parts. Second of all of the plastic components have been printed in high resolution resin. So there's just a couple of things to update about that. And first of all is this component here. If you're later in the steps, you'll see that it's time to insert this rubber end of this wire component through this hole, and I've already adjusted this one so it's going through nicely. But if it's not going through nicely, if it's getting stuck here and you can't feel like you've got to force it through, it should just have a little bit of friction there. You should be able to feel the friction of it so that it holds tightly. But if it's got too much, what you need is a 2.5mm drill bit. If you're in the US or in the United Kingdom, you might want to get an imperial size 3/32 size drill bit, or it could even be a number 40 drill bit. Anyway, all you got to do is get that inside and give it some gentle twists. It's just an extra little bit of resin that's stuck in there as it's cured, and then it should just go through nicely. Same goes for this component here. You may need to just give that a little bit of a clear up. It's just a quick update, something I noticed in doing some test builds after some of these kits had gone out. They ended up being a slight variation to the initial test builds, but that's normal production life. So anyway, happy ORIBOKITting, and any questions, let me know.